welcome to the channel. I am ThatRoni and it's cooking time. Today we're gonna try to make chicken curry. I've never done this before and I'm missing so many ingredients that I couldn't find in the store. But you know what? We're just gonna go ahead and try it out. So for the ingredients, we're gonna use salt, masala, smoky hot chili powder, pepper, olive oil, really nice looking tomatoes, organic chicken thighs, onions, garlic, ginger, cilantro, what was it, habanero or jalapeno peppers. And we're going to listen to the Parsons Project. I've never listened to it. I don't really know anything about it, but a good friend of mine whom I highly trust her musical taste recommended it. Ashley, you freaking rock. Kitty Cosmos, go check her stuff out. She's awesome. Let's go in there, shall we? Okay, first step. All right, let's do this. Starting off good. So complex and beautiful. Wow.
Hot rooms turn icy cold instantly without AC, while slashing electric bill.
Chances before, but I ain't gonna give any more. Don't ask me, that's how it goes. 'Cause part of me knows what you're thinking. Don't say words you're gonna regret. Don't let the fire rush to your head. I've heard the accusation before, and I ain't gonna take any more. Believe me, the sun in your eyes made some of the lies worth believing. before. 'Cause I ain't gotta live anymore believing some of the lies, while all of the signs are deceiving. I am the eye in the sky, looking at you. I can read your mind. I am the maker of rules, dealing with fools. I can cheat you blind, and I don't need to see anymore to know that I can read your mind. 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 I am the eye in the sky, looking at you. I can read your mind. I am the maker of rules, dealing with fools. I can cheat you blind, and I don't need to see anymore to know that I can read your mind. I can read your mind. I can read your mind. I can read your mind.
It's not that bad actually. Jalapenos. Wait, this one is kind of. Yeah, it's spicy. Oh yeah, it's spicy.
I've always wanted to learn how to play piano, but I never had the time. And then I found this app, Simply Piano, and I've already...
Pay no attention to the writing on the wall.
Oh my god.
The words seem empty, 'cause there's nothing there at all. We let the wise men beat the drums too soon. We were just children of the moon. No one to turn to, nowhere to run to, even if we could. Too late to save us, but try to understand. The seas were empty, there was hunger in the land. We let the blind man lead the way too long.
hot. Oh, wow.
Gear for mountain athletes. Worn when it counts.
Watching, waiting, rising, falling, listening, calling, drifting, touching, feeling, seeing, believing, hoping, sending, leaving. I couldn't say why you and I are Gemini. If I tried to write a million words a day, I see your shadow coming closer and watch you drifting away. Watching, waiting, rising, falling, listening, calling, drifting, touching, feeling, seeing, believing, hoping, sending, leaving. I couldn't say why you and I are Gemini. We are traveling a million worlds away. I see your shadow coming closer and watch you drifting away.
By the way, I hope I'm doing it in the right order.
Watch you drifting
Hope for the best. Like I meant for the for this.
If I cried out loud for the sorrows I've known and the secrets I've heard, it would ease my mind, someone sharing the load. But I won't breathe a word. We're two of a kind, silence and I. We need a chance to talk things over. Two of a kind, silence and I. We'll find a way to work it While the children laugh, I was always afraid of the smile of the clown. So I close my eyes and I can't see the light, and I hide from the sound. We're two of a kind, silence and I. We need a chance to talk things over. Two of a kind, silence and I. as it falls to the ground. You can hear the call of an echoing voice, and there's no one around. Oh, we're two of a kind, silence and I. We need a chance to talk things over. Two of a kind, silence and I. We'll find a way to work it out.
This is good. Well done.
Young Woman in the Sea is about a young woman called Trudy Edley, who was the first woman to swim the English Channel.
The channel is 21 miles.
Sounds like an opening for a detective movie. Love it.
Tell you about a dream that I have every night. Tell you about a dream that I have every night. It ain't Kodachrome and it isn't black or white. Take me for a fool if you feel that's right. Well, I'm never on my own, but there's nobody in sight. I don't know why I'm scared of the lightning trying to reach me. I can't turn to the left or the right. I'm too scared to run and I'm too weak to fight. But I don't care, it's all psychobabble rap to me. Tell you about a dream that I have every night. It's a Dolby stereo, but I never hear it right. Take me for a fool, well, that's alright. Well, I see the way to go, but there isn't any light. I don't know, I'm scared of the lightning trying to reach me. Help me to find what I don't wanna know. Taking me there, but I don't wanna go. I don't care, it's all psychobabble rap to me. Psychobabble, oh psychobabble. Psychobabble, oh psychobabble. I don't care, it's all psychobabble rap to me.
Okay, hope the frame is good. It stopped recording for some odd reason. I guess it's really hot and I'm running out of memory again. We have listened to, while it was cleaning mostly, we listened to Mama Gamma, and we also lost the GoPro, by the way. And I spoke a little bit about my thoughts about it, but now I don't remember what I said. After Mama Gamma, I stopped and I enjoyed it. I honestly really enjoyed Ellen Parsons' project. It's pretty cool. I feel like it took me to a whole ride, and the vocal pieces, I really want to know the lyrics because I wasn't really listening while chopping, trying not to chop off my fingers. But anyway, I will let you know how it turned out when it's ready. I'm hot. It's hot. It's hot. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take a shower. This is how it looks right now. You guys, I'm after shower. I'm exhausted and I'm so hungry that I'm not hungry anymore, but I'm gonna eat. I think it turned out really good. Like the sauce is amazing. I'm sorry, I didn't even bring the tripod. Wait, let's see. I like it, it's good. I usually cook things that are a little lighter and easier to make, but it's definitely a dish that I like. I think it will work well with coconut milk as well, or coconut cream, or whatever, but it's good. Thanks for the suggestion for the chicken curry, and thank you for the Parsons Project suggestion. I really enjoyed it, and I'm going to sleep. Thank you all. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.